The Illuminated River Foundation is a charity that was set up to deliver the Illuminated River project. So we only exist for one thing, which is to create what will possibly be the world's longest public art project across up to 15 of London's bridges. And this is an opportunity for an artist to actually paint the bridges with light, to encourage people to sort of look at how individual they all are and to look at their histories. The Illuminated River ran an international design competition. The reason why Leo Villarreal and Lifshitz Davison Sandilands scheme won was because of their use of colour and black and white and the way that it was very respectful to the bridges and revealed their architectural qualities. We selected Signify because they had the expertise. They had worked with Leo Villarreal on his San Francisco Bay Lights project and so understood the way that he worked.
Signify, formerly Philips Lighting, is the world leader in lighting. We invest close to 5% of our revenues in R&D, and we have a bold ambition of becoming carbon neutral by 2020.
The first phase of the project are 4 bridges. We're moving east to west from London, Cannon Street, Southwark to Millennium.
So Interact Landmark is our IoT lighting management system that is going to be used to deliver light content to the bridges. Over all the bridges that we're lighting in this project, we're going to be using just in excess of 13,000 separate light fittings. So each one of those we need to monitor to see how they're performing, and Interact Landmark can do that. It can go in and check every individual light fitting every day to check that it's operating correctly and start to predict any faults that might occur.
I think there's an opportunity here for creating work that means that people will stop on their commute across a bridge, pause, have a moment out of their busy day, look at the river, look at the reason why London is where it is, and maybe have a conversation with someone they don't know about how beautiful the river looks.
There are limitless opportunities with connected lighting to make buildings and monuments better in cities. Signify's Interact Landmark will provide connected lighting management system that will bring to life the world's longest public art commission.